Rickettsia ricketsy. If you or a loved one are experiencing the following symptoms:
Itchy red bumps,
high fever,
headaches, red eyes, or swollen body.
but there's still hope. And you too can find a cure. Talk to your doctor for more information about finding the antibiotic doxycycline in your area, and you too can be well again.
It's a celebration.
He's crying. He's just like bouncing.
Yes. You can't smile.
Don't even look up at the camera. Just like look
Look to the side of it. Look at the plant. You're like, why can't I be healthy like the plant? Think of dead puppies.
He laughs when you say that.
Don't do the lip quiver.
Don't do the lip.
Ooh.
Oh. You can't laugh.
Look up.
Don't take a picture. You take a picture.
No, I want to take it. Oh, you messed it up. I want to take it. Wait, but
We can't have it. Sick.
wait.
Right?